Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I did all these fitting, okay, but as a side effect you see at certain places this drywall is indeed broken. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can repair. So these are the materials I'm gonna use here. Okay, drywall compound, this they call it fiberglass repair fabric, scraper and scissor just to cut. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do, remove all the loose debris, all the, like, it's better to do sanding, remove everything that is falling loose here. Okay, don't use hand, like if you have a sander or something, use that to take these loose debris out. Okay, this is very small, that's why I'm doing it with hand, but like scrub it. Anything that is falling or loose has to be broken, okay, for proper impact, for proper effect. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show the next step. So here this one is not actually broken, just outer layer, so we can apply the direct compound here. I need to use this fiberglass paper. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a small piece and I'm gonna wrap it around. Depending upon the area, sometimes you may need to put an entire drywall section here, but that's not required here because it's very minor. So I just put this fiberglass paper here. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the drywall compound. So gently open it. Okay, it's open. Now take the small quantity and apply it over there. So it's pretty simple. It's a simple task, but don't rush through it. Okay, make sure that whole area is covered nicely, and again, and near the edges, don't worry about this color. Once it's dried, it's gonna be like white in color, so nothing to worry about there. Okay, you may need to do multiple layers. Okay, so guys, I have applied this. See, already it has picked up and it's turning into white. Once it is dried, do one more round of sanding, and if required you can apply once more. Otherwise, if it looks good, that's fine, ready to be painted. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.